Hello, my name is David Duda. I'm from Compact Solutions, and today I'm going to present you TestDrive, which is a framework that will allow you to better manage and automate your testing efforts for the data integration processes. Testing in data integration processes is related to many challenges we need to work against every single day to make sure that the processes that we deliver are of proper quality. The first and the most popular one is related to time constraints. The processes that are being delivered usually have very specific deadlines and they need to be delivered by that specific time. It does not matter that requirements are changing. It does not matter that there are new features that have to be developed. Deadline has to be met. What can we do in order to make sure that the time that is available for testing is being properly used? What do we do to make sure that the time that is available, especially early in the development process, when only some of the elements of the process being built are available for testing, can be properly used to build as much as possible of test cases that can be later reused during the final testing of the whole process? Another very important area is related to external testing teams. You quite often find that the testing is being done by different people than the ones who have developed the job. Therefore, the people doing testing quite often do not have detailed technical knowledge about locations and formatting of the data being used as inputs or outputs for particular data integration processes. They do not always know on which server, in which location they should put the file with the input data. They do not know what is the proper delimiter of that file so that the data will be properly consumed by the data integration process. In many cases, the delimiters being used are not easily editable. So how can they make sure that a CSV file that they have prepared or Excel sheet that they have prepared will be properly transformed and delivered to proper place so that the data integration process will pick it up and use during the processing? How do they take the Excel sheet that they have with the correct expected results and deliver it to the database table where it can be used for verification with the actual output? Another area is lack of manageable test repository. We very often find that in order to repeat a test that has been done 3 or 6 months ago, we need to almost completely repeat the whole process of preparing it. The reason for this is that there is no single place where we could go to grab the data that has been used back then. There is no place where we could go and ask where that data exists, verify was it changed, and make sure that we can now run the previous test automatically without investing once again time and effort that we have already put into preparing particular test cases. As a result of those challenges, very often over 70% of the time spent on testing is actually spent not on coming up with proper testing strategy and test plan. Instead, people are spending the time and effort on making sure that the data gets delivered to proper locations, that it's properly formatted, that they have found proper input data that have been used some time ago. There are many areas in this process that we can improve.